Registration. Sometimes things on the calendar and of events require you to register. Some require a down payment or payment, some do not. Where you'll find registrations is either under the calendar. If it has a registration, it'll say signups under it. But if not, just go to the bottom of Footbar and go to more. You'll find registrations. You'll go there. And here you'll find everything and anything that you need to register for. Here, again, you can filter via congregation. I would go all campuses just to be sure. And you can scroll down and find your event that you need to register for. For this tutorial, we'll just use Mountaintop 2026. You'll just click the registration. Here, it'll give you all the information you need to know: the date, the times, the location, a short detail information for you parents, and the cost and how many spots are remaining. You'll go in here like every other registration you've done in the past, and you'll make your selections on how many students you have going. You'll hit next, attendees, and it'll give you a place where you can put your down payment or payment for that event. And that is pretty much it. Nothing really changes with registrations, but that is how you find it in the new Church Center app.